What's up, guys?
What's up, Wibugang?
What's up? Welcome back to another episode of Hunter.
Episode 23.
We're kind of running low on some memory card here, so we're gonna get through this recap really quickly.
Yeah.
Last episode, the gang kind of arrived at Killua's, I guess, estate, which is a mountain.
A little tour guide.
And we got a lot of background information on their family about how strong their family is, like how dangerous they are, and how famous they are, or infamous.
That watchdog.
Yeah, the watchdog, which Gon was like, oh, just befriend it, and they're like, no, you don't know what you're dealing with. But the security guard was nice enough to let them get in, so now they just have to get through the butler to see Killua. So let's see how it goes.
Let's see.
Go, battery, go!
Go, battery.
Alright, episode 23.
キルアに会うために越えなければならない障害を
It's like so crazy. Gon's arm has been broken like this whole time.
Yeah, he's like chilling. Just on a sling.
ここは私ら使用人の家です。今夜はもう遅い。ま、泊まっていきなさい。
I like that the janitor likes them.
Dang, it's like every door. What the heck?
さあ、どうぞ。
Only the strong survive.
Where did they find the strongest janitor in the world?
白人とは珍しいな。彼はシークワンと私と一緒にここで働いております。こんばんは。あ、ゼブロに気に入られるとは大した連中だ。ま、ゆっくりして
I
るな。
love his fit.
と言ってもこの家じゃそうもいかねえだろうがな。キルア坊ちゃんに会いに行く？
Dang, everything's so heavy.
じゃ傑作だ。
会いに行くこちとら大真面目だな。
忠告しといてやるよ。諦めてとっとと帰りな。
なんだと？
ゼブロから試しのもんのこと聞いてんだろ。だったらここがどういうところか分かったはずだ。
簡単にたどり着けないことは分かったよ。でも俺は帰らない。キルアに会うまでは。
Let me see my best friend.
俺、キルアが辛い時にそばにいてあげられなかった。あの時、俺がそばにいたら絶対にキルアを止めたのに。キルアは俺の大切な友達なんだ。
わかりました。ではしばらくここで特訓してみませんか。
特訓？
おいゼブロ。いいですかゴン君。あの門はたとえ3人がかりでも開けば OK なんです。短期間でも訓練次第では不可能ではない。どうです？
He's like, you see my arm, man?
他に方法がないのなら
やるしかねえな。
Another test.
では早速皆さんに来てもらうものがあります。
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
shit.
なんだよ、この重さ。
それで50キロあ
Holy
ります。
fuck.
寝るとき以外はいつも着ていてください。慣れたら徐々に重くします。さあ、お茶をどうぞ。その湯飲みは20キロ。このポットも40キロ。
How it's the heaviest tea
こ
ever.
の家の家具、食器、すべて20キロ以上ありますよ。
Dang.
なるほど。これが特訓ということか。
無駄無駄。どうせ2、3日で値を上げるのがオチだ。
だと？
シークワンと交代の時間はとうに過ぎてるんだがな。
Damn, he's like, go away.
すみません。悪いやつじゃないんですが。
ところで、トイレってどこ？
そこに見える扉です。
Good luck opening the door.
Holy fuck.
あのトイレの扉。
ええ。
Oh my
what
gosh.
in the hell?
嘘！
こ
Whoa, that's a weird animation. It looks so real.
It does look super real.
How much does their clothes weigh?
Oh, is that his sister and mom? Wow, they look like him, kind of. Kabuto.
Open this 500-kilogram door.
No struggle.
Oh shit.
Wow, they've been torturing him.
少しは反省したかしら。
ダメだよママ。こいつちっとも反省しちゃいない。もっと気を据えなくちゃ。
ミルキ、お前は黙っておいで。キル、あまり意地を張らずに反省したと一言言えばいいのよ。
そういやお前の友達ゴンとかいうやつ。さっさと帰ればいいのに試しの門に挑戦するそうだぜ。
ゴンが来てる。ミルキ、また余計なこと。あのね、キル、今まで黙っていたのか。
Oh
マ
shit.
マに向かってその映画さはなんだ。
お前はお黙りというのに。言う必要ない。
Everybody's yelling.
キル、あの門を開くなんて無理に決まってるわ。
開くぞ。ゴンなら開くぞ。
まあ、それは素晴らしいわ。でもね、たとえ門が開いてもここにたどり着くまで。
ゴン
He
は
will.
あいつはきっと来る。必ずここまでたどり着く。
She just looks like so unfazed. Like,
Yeah.
oh, this is my 9 to 5.
This is normal at home.
待てゴン、お前は見学だ。
なんで？まずは腕を直すことが先決だろう。
俺とクラピカで開くことができりゃ問題なし。任せとけ。
They seem more adjusted to the weighted vest.
行くぜクラピカ。
ああ、
悪いに決まってるだろう。
That's wild.
ダメだ。びくともしない。
くそ。しかしまだ特訓は始まったばかりだ。頑張ればなんとかなる。
This is only their first day of that wearing that vest, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's 20 kilograms each.
Oh my god.
The
The training's
strongest,
working.
the strongest shoulders, strongest biceps and back.
Yep. Damn.
One-arm push-ups.
Oh, his arm. What?
How many days have they done this?
This is all. This is
Oh, look at all the
6
pants
hours.
they got.
What? God, imagine how sore you would be.
I just imagine hernia like the
Yes,
whole time.
いくらや
literally.
っても無駄だって。いい加減気づいたらどうだ。
そう思うんだったら見てねえでてめえの仕事をしてたらどうなんだ。
ゴンは仲間だ。その仲間が大切な友達に会いたがっている。最後まで手を貸すのは当然だろう。
よし、もう一丁行くか。
ああ。
Yeah, they kind of owe their hunter's license to him.
ナビコンや押せばいいってもんじゃねえだろうが。タイミングを合わせろ。最大限の力を両方の扉同時に与えないと
Facts
俺らは
bros.
開かねえんだよ。
I wonder if he can open it.
Everybody has to be able to open
Oh,
that
to
door.
work there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
合わせて。
最大限の
So I guess the question is, how many doors can you open? Still nothing. Oh,
Oh.
damn.
Oh, shit.
レオリオ、クラピカ。
動いたぜ。
Yay.
She's like, not so bad.
Testing gate.
何試しのもんがそれで
いやご報告をしたまでで特には
分かっ
This guy looks very mischievous.
Both of them look like they got something.
そのやつ
The music.
That guy kind of looks like that CIA dude that's always on YouTube. You know what I'm talking about? He always talks about like security stuff.
No.
Oh.
二人とも今日はそのベストを脱いで押してみなさい。
It's the second day.
ありがてえ
Day 2 made thousands of pounds of gains.
ベストを脱ぎゃきっと開くぜ行くぜラピカ1、2の3
This old man can just like curl them. Whoa!
ここからびくともしね
もう一度踏ん張りだレオリオ
え分かってるよ
ゴーン
何やってんだお前その左腕
大丈夫もう治ったか
He just knows it's him.
だって
本当かよ
Trust me.
それより呼吸を合わせるんでしょよし押そう
行くぜ
1
2の
Yay!
They're all about to die if the door closes on them.
I wish that he falls right in front of the dog's mouth. Amazing!
Isn't it gonna like slam shut?
Right?
Two days of training can lift 2 tons together.
Fucking wild. Damn.
I love their little house. It's so cute.
If that old man turns out to be like manipulative man, I'm gonna be sad because he seemed really nice.
You
just see the little glare like go in his eyes.
彼らなら屋敷までたどり着けるんじゃないかな。
無理だな。死にに行くようなもんだ。
それは3年前の経験からかい？
たった一人の羊見習いに全滅させられたんだぜ。やってほど思い知らされたからな。軍曹ってもんがあることよ。
で軍曹にそのままここに雇われちまった。
悪かったな。化け物ばっかりさ。雇い主も使用人も。あそこを一歩越えたらな。
試しの門が開いたと。
はい。
キルは今が一番大事な時。他の者を近づけてはなりません。まし
What are they trying to do to
友
him?
達など無用なもの。分かってるわね。
はい。
Oh snap.
ちゃんと電話したよ試しの門から通ってきたし
羊室が入ることを許したわけではないでしょ。
Canary.
じゃあどうしたら許可がもらえるの友達だって言っても繋いでくれないのにさ
さあ、許可した前例がないから
Oh, I wish they were like around the same age.
そういやそうね。とにかく多めに見るのはそこまでよ。
Ooh.
この線を一歩でも越えたら実力で排除します。
Yo.
Damn.
レオリオ、クラッカー。手を出しちゃダメだよ。俺に任
Oh,
せ
he's
て。
bleeding.
俺たち君と争う気は全然ないんだ。キルアに会いたいだけだから。
理由は何であれ関係ないの。私は雇い主の命令に従うだけよ。
Dude, it's like Tower of God with their damn
They have the scepter.
Mm-hmm.
You need to activate your Shinsu.
You're right. Damn.
It's like being whacked by like a cannonball. The thing's so heavy.
Ooh, she's spying. This dude. If anything, he can take a hit.
Yeah.
絶対に通れ。キルアに会うんだ。
お帰りなさいませ。キロ様。
Oh hell, she's old-ish.
I think they're like the same. Maybe the same age?
Same age?
I think she's like an apprentice
Okay.
butler. He skated the whole way home.
Dude, the most interesting kid, Skater Boy Assassin. Shit.
She like really doesn't want to whack him.
And she knows that's his one friend.
Yeah.
Holy shit, from all the way to evening.
From noon to 6.
Whoa, all that blood.
It's like Leorio and Kurapika have like the worst lives.
I know.
They just watch their friend get beat up like every other episode.
Like consistently.
Yeah.
Damn, boy.
%resolve.
Mm-hmm.
キルアに会いに来ただけなのに。なんでこんなことしなきゃならないんだ。
Oh shit.
He punched the rock.
ねえ、もう足入ってるよ。殴らなくていいの。君はミケとは違う。どんなに感情を隠そうとしたってちゃんと心がある。キルアの名前を出した時一瞬だけど目が優しくなった。
I wonder if that's they're like lovers. You know, like childhood, like
Yeah.
not like lovers, like they
But
do
yeah.
something that they're not supposed to be doing right now. They're close friends.
Crying. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Did they just kill
Bro,
her?
what?
何を言って
Oh,
る
oh my god,
Holy
yo.
shit.
私たちがキルをいじめてたなんてただのクソ見習いのくせして失礼
Holy shit.
あなたがゴンねイルミから話は聞いてます
She got a
あ
scouter.
なたが邸内に来ていることにキルは知ってますよ
So.
キルからのメッセージをそのまま伝えま
Oh,
し
she
ょう
can they hear her talking or is she like spying on them?
すごく嬉し
I think they could hear.
いでも今は会えない
Well, this is kind of weird how she's talking. You
Right?
know?
ようやく邸内に入ったゴンたちだが その前に
Lady
立ち塞がった
Zoldyck
世界の壁は会えないというキルアからのあまりにも悲しいメッセージだった。
Yeah, they straight up murked the apprentice.
Straight up.
What?
Straight up.
Straight up
Yeah.
murked.
Dude, that was an interesting episode.
That was super interesting.
They be hitting us with the feels every episode here on Hunter. You know?
They really do. And this episode, wow, like I didn't expect to see that like right off the bat. They just killed her.
I hope they didn't kill
What?
her.
Or something.
It definitely was a headshot. For sure. But man, that's so messed up. Like that, she literally killed the kid. Like honestly.
She did.
They have no. Everybody's the same age in Hunter. There's no lines. No lines crossed. Except for the one that got just crossed.
And you can get the smoke in this show.
But it was pretty cool to see like what kind of again to see what kind of world like the Zoldyck family lives in. Like they have all these heavy cups. Like how do they pay for these things? Probably from their assassinations.
They don't play games like this family for real. And the mom is like, she's scary.
Very
She's scary.
Very scary. With the scouter,
The
she's looking at everybody, assessing everything.
Over 9,000,
and she
bro.
got like that fan gun thing, like
zapping bitches, like bow, bow, bow. Oh my god.
She's like, I don't like you. So yeah, pretty interesting. We don't have much time to talk, so we gotta wrap it up.
I give it an 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Nice. You're getting up there. It sounds like you're starting to slowly become a fan.
Definitely. What about you?
I probably rate it like an 80.
Okay.
Pretty cool. But yeah. Check us out on Patreon.
Yeah.
Comment down below.
Like and subscribe.
Man, what else are we gonna tell you to do? Just do what you want, really.
Brush your teeth. Get 8 hours of sleep.
Make sure you don't drink coffee after 6.
Yeah.
And you'll be good.
Definitely.
But we'll just see you guys next time. What are we talking about? Peace.
I'm gonna be the next Hokage.
Come on, you pervy sage.
Talking no jutsu.
That's my ninja way.